ଏବେ କେତେ ସମୟ ହୋଇଛି? What's the time now? What's the time now? ଏବେ 7ଟା ବାଜିଗଲାଣି। It is 7 o'clock now. It is 7 o'clock now. ସେଠାକୁ ଯାଅ ନାହିଁ। Don't go there. Don't go there. ତୁମେ ସେଠାକୁ କିପରି ଯିବ? How will you go there? How will you go there? ତୁମେ ମୋତେ କିପରି ଜାଣ? How do you know me? How do you know me? ତୁମେ ଇଂରାଜୀ କିପରି ଜାଣ? How do you know English? How do you know English? ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ସବୁବେଳେ ମନେ ପକାଏ। I miss you always. I miss you always. ତୁମେ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ କି? Are you sure? Are you sure? ତୁମେ ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଠିକ। You absolutely right. You absolutely right. ମୁଁ ମୋର ସର୍ବୋତ୍ତମ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରିବି। I will try my best. I will try my best. ମୁଁ ଏହାକୁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରିବି। I will try it. I will try it. ମୁଁ ଅନ୍ୟମାନଙ୍କୁ ବିଶ୍ୱାସ କରେ ନାହିଁ। I don't believe others. I don't believe others. ତୁମେ ମୋତେ କନ୍ଦାଇଲ। You made me cry. You made me cry. ତୁମର ମନେ ଅଛି କି? Do you remember? Do you remember? ମୁଁ ଏହି କଥା ଭୁଲିଗଲି। I forgot this matter. I forgot this matter. ତୁମେ ତାଙ୍କ ସହିତ ଯାଇପାରିବ। You can go with him. You can go with him. ଆପଣ ଆମ ସହିତ ଯୋଗାଯୋଗ କରିପାରିବେ। You can contact with us. You can contact with us. ମୋତେ ବିରକ୍ତ କର ନାହିଁ। Don't irritate me. Don't irritate me. ମୋର ମଧ୍ୟ ସମାନ ସମସ୍ୟା। I have the same problem. I have the same problem. ମୋତେ ରଗାଇବ ନାହିଁ। Don't make me angry. Don't make me angry. କହିବା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଚିନ୍ତା କର। Think before you speak. Think before you speak. ମୁଁ ତୁମର ନାମ ଜାଣିଛି। I know your name. I know your name. ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ବହୁତ ଭଲ ଭାବରେ ଜାଣେ। I know you very well. I know you very well. ତୁମେ ମୋତେ କାହିଁକି ମିଛ କହୁଛ? Why are you lying me? Why are you lying me? ମୋ ଠାରୁ ଲୁଚାଅ ନାହିଁ। Don't hide from me. Don't hide from me. କିଛି ଭଲ ନୁହେଁ। Nothing is good. Nothing is good. ସବୁ କିଛି ଠିକ ଅଛି କି? Is everything okay? Is everything okay? ମୋର ମନ ଖରାପ ଅଛି। I am in bad mood. I am in bad mood. ଆମକୁ ଏକା ଛାଡ଼ିଦିଅ। Leave us alone. Leave us alone. ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ କୁହ ନାହିଁ। Don't tell everyone. Don't tell everyone. ତୁମେ ଆମ ଘରେ ରହିବ କି? Will you stay in our house? Will you stay in our house? ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ଠାରୁ ଦୂରରେ ରୁହ। Stay away from everyone. Stay away from everyone. ତୁମେ କେଉଁଠି ରହୁଛ? Where do you live? Where do you live? ଆମ ଗାଁକୁ ଆସ। Come to our village. Come to our village. କାହାରି କଥା ଶୁଣ ନାହିଁ। Don't listen to anyone. Don't listen to anyone. ତୁମେ କେଉଁଠିକୁ ଯିବାକୁ ଚାହଁ? ପ୍ଲିଜ୍ କମେଣ୍ଟ ଦିସ୍ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ।